First things first, I'm going to get this the new starter solenoid on. Hopefully we can get this hopefully we can get this running today. New solenoid in, since found. Don't think they were helping. Dodgy connection on that one there. That one wasn't that much better, so I think it was a mixture of bad connections, dodgy old solenoid, and nip off and get some new connectors and try that, see how that works. Who'd have thought? Let's put the distributor right under. Oh, you can't see it. Let me put the light on. Right under there. I wish I'd looked into this now before I put the carbs on. So, clean the points up, clean the rotary arm up. Let's see what happens now. I think he's only getting fuel into one carb. Have a look. Let's see if we've got fuel in the carbs. Nice. Air filters on this time. That's a bit of a result. So I think what we'll do now is let it cool so don't burn my dannies. and then exhaust manifold off. We've got one blowing at the, where's my finger? Just there. One blowing at the back corner, and we've got some exhaust wrap to go over that. So next job. I need another wrist halfway up my arm. Comes out the top, look. Welcome to shaky cam. So manifold's off, we've got a crack in there and crack round there. I noticed when we ran it earlier there was the charging light wouldn't go out. So I'm sure that's not helping. That's not helping. That's, what's that? Oh, these. So they've got little points and things in here. So when that goes, can you see that down there? But these other ones look like they might have a bit of crud on. We'll clean those up and see what happens. Just drop my camera. That's back on. Clean the terminals up. So try that next time I come over. He's on and working splendidly. These fellas need a bit of a clean up, set up, not clean up, needs setting up. Got a crack around there, and in there. Send that way, have it lightly shot blasted and cleaned up. Give it some VHT and then a bit of an exhaust wrap. Should look after that. I think we're going to put a little bit of a brace between here to stop these. You can see them flexing. Stop that happening. And that, I think we're done. Oh, drain the gearbox oil. That was quite disgusting. Other than that, that was a good one.